Oh, this might end up turning really bad. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, welcome. So I was just browsing on Wish like I normally do, and I came across something that just really intrigued me. I don't know if you guys know what a lash lift is, but basically it's something that you get done to kind of like enhance your natural lashes, you know, make them kind of stand out more, basically just give them a lift. The name kind of explains itself, but you know. I've always been really curious about getting it done, but I have naturally blonde lashes, so I just didn't know if it would be worth it or not. I went on Wish and I found a lash lift kit. I don't know why that was so hard to say, but it was apparently. I'm gonna give myself a at-home lash lift from Wish, and it kind of makes me scared a little. This is what it looks like right here. It's called the Icon Sign Lash Lift Eyelash Perming Kit. My stomach was growling throughout that whole thing. So it comes with 4 perm lotion, 1 glue, 5 size lift pads, and a cleaning tool. I don't know what any of that means. What I'm gonna do right now is go ahead and take my eye makeup off and my false lashes because I am wearing some. So let's go ahead and do that and I'll be right back. Okay, I look a little insane, I know, because I only took off my eye makeup, so the rest of my face makeup is on. Dang, are you getting a lash lift too? Here is what the kit looks like. So there we go. Those are the eye pads. The eye pads. That's what the rest of it looks like there. So we've got the false lashes glue. This one says number 1 perm. This one is number 2 fixation. Number 3 is nutrition, and number 4 is cleanser. And then this is the clean tool, clean off the residue, and then this is the lift pads. Okay, so the directions say use the cleanser number 4 to remove the oil, dust, and makeup residue. So that would be this little guy right here. But I'm curious, like, this is just like an oil. So do I use this, the clean tool? Or do I just use like a wipe? I'm not really sure. Oh my god, I almost forgot to remove my contact lenses. I still have my contacts in, and it says safety precaution number 1, please remove contact lenses. So I'm gonna go do that right now. Okay, so I took my contacts out. I just have my glasses on for the time being, just so I can read things and read the instructions properly. Let's just open this little clean tool thing and see what it is. Okay, Okay, so I think what I'm gonna do, since they don't really explain it, like I said, all they say is use the cleanser number 4 to remove the oil, dust, and makeup residue. They don't say if you use like a wipe or anything, but I'm assuming you're gonna have to use a wipe. So I'm just gonna take some of this cleanser number 4 and put it on this little makeup wipe and just go around my eyes. Is any even like coming out? Hello? Oh. It had a seal on it. Let's put some of that, whoa, on the eye. Okay, so I think that's done. And now the next thing says to apply the eye pads under the eyelids to protect your skin from the lotion. So that would be what? So I'm pretty sure that's these. Huh. Okay, wait, I'm a little bit confused because we have 2 things here. We have these, which are called the Care eye pads, right? And then we have these things right here, which are called the lift pads. So in step number 2, they say apply the eye pads under the eyelids to protect your skin from the lotion. So do they mean these, or do they mean these things? I genuinely don't know. So I just went ahead and I kind of Googled it because I was a little bit confused, and these are the things that you use. I don't really know what these are for, but there's also like different sizes. Like this is the small one, there's medium, and then there's a large, which is way too big for my eye. I don't know if I want to do medium or if I want to do small. I think I'm gonna do small. And now we're gonna use the glue that it comes with and basically just glue this to your eyelid. I feel like I'm gonna fail at doing this. Okay, just gonna like kind of press it down for a little bit. Oh, it keeps popping up in the corner. I'm having such a hard time actually getting this to stick on my eyelid right now. It's insane. But let's just move on to the other one. These little eye pads are gonna be the death of me because they will not stick to my eyelids for some reason. Look at this one, look, it just, I think that's about as good as we're gonna get them, honestly. And then it says, apply the glue on the eyelashes to keep it stuck to the lift pads for 1 minute. So, okay, so I guess it just, but how do I get them stuck here? Oh my god, my eyes are watering so bad. I feel like that's as good as it's gonna get, really. It's not really sticking to the pads, maybe because the pads are not really sticking to my eyelids. I don't know. Next thing, it says to use the Perm Lotion #1 on the eyelashes and then cover your eyes with plastic wrap. Oh my god, for 10 to 12 minutes. I have to sit with plastic wrap on my eyes for 10 to 12 minutes. Okay, I'm back. I got the plastic wrap. It says use the Perm Lotion #1. Oh, that stinks. Okay, I'm a little bit confused again because they just say to use the Perm Lotion #1 on the eyelashes, but they don't give you anything to put it on with. So I'm just gonna use a spoolie of my own. And oh my god, guys, this stinks so bad. Do I want to do this? I don't know. Okay, I got it on the spoolie. So I have it on the lashes. Now I'm gonna put some plastic wrap on. Wait, like this? Am I supposed to really like sit here for 10 to 12 minutes like this, guys? I really feel like I'm doing something wrong. I'm bored. I have a feeling for some reason that this is not gonna turn out because the lift pads like will not stick on my eyes. I don't know why. No matter how much glue I put on there, they keep lifting up, especially in the corners here and then on my inner corners. Okay, so it's been 10 minutes. It says 10 to 12, but I'm only gonna do 10. So now it says to remove the Perm Lotion #1 with Y brush, then apply Fixing Agent #2 on the eyelash, and then cover your eyes with plastic wrap. Again, oh my god. Y brush? What's a Y brush? I think this is what they mean by the Y brush. So it says to remove the Perm Lotion with this. So do I just go, like how do I remove it with this? I'm a little bit confused. Okay, so that's done, I think. And now it says to apply Fixing Agent. So that would be the stuff right here. I'm gonna use this spoolie again. I'm just cleaning it off right now. So let's dip into this Fixing Agent. I just dropped everything. I honestly just feel like the instructions aren't super clear. I've honestly just given up on this eye at this point because the lift pad just does not want to work with me. But now I have to go ahead and wrap my eyes in plastic wrap yet again. Another 10 to 12 minutes like this, guys. Great. Time to take it off. That feels so weird. Oh my gosh. Now it says to use the cleanser #4 to clean off all the residue with the Y brush, wiping with the comb side. Okay, so the little comb side is right there on the brush. So I just put some of that cleanser on the brush and now we just comb through, I guess. I like how I'm guessing at every step. I'm like, I don't know. It says to remove the lift pads from the upper part of your eyelid, then use the Nutrition Lotion #3 to nourish your eyelashes. So I can finally take these things off. Oh, that feels so good to have that off my eyes. Wow. So I just cleaned off that spoolie again, and that's what we're gonna use to put the Nutrition Lotion on the eyelashes. So here we go. Okay, so I just put that on, and that's the last step, but I really just want to take a makeup wipe and just wipe over my eyes just to get, you know, if there's anything left on there, I want it off. Okay, I'm gonna be 100% honest. I feel like if I didn't have such a hard time with those lift pads, I feel like this actually would have worked because this eye was working a little bit better for me. This eye was just, no, the lift pad on this eye was just wasn't having it. But this eye, I can actually see a little bit of a lift. But yeah, this eye over here just didn't change at all. I feel like I might give this another try at some point and like really focus on doing it and, you know, not have like all my lights set up and my camera. It might be a little bit easier to focus on doing it. I'm gonna go ahead and put some mascara on because, like I said, I do have naturally blonde lashes, so you can't really see them anyways. I just want to go ahead and show you guys up close. I can really tell a difference now, especially now that I have mascara on with this eye. Let's go ahead and put the mascara back on this one as well. Please excuse my really dark under eyes, sorry about that, but I went ahead and I put mascara on this one. Now remember, this was the eye that didn't really work out at all, and this was the eye that kind of worked out. I honestly wish the instructions were just like a little bit more detailed. Like, I was getting really easily confused when I was reading them. Also, I want to say that I definitely do recommend leaving this kind of stuff up to the professionals because you never know, something could go wrong. You could be allergic to any of these products. You really never know what's going to happen. I definitely don't think this product doesn't work. I actually really do think it works, but I just didn't do it correctly. But anyways, guys, thank you so much for watching. I really hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, don't forget to give it a big like and subscribe because I would really appreciate that. Also, if you haven't already, go check out my Instagram. It is always linked down below. Anyways, I hope you guys have a great day and I will see you in my next video. Bye, guys.